Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best RV outdoor shower is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any RVer, transforming your outdoor living space into a convenient and refreshing oasis. Whether you're rinsing off after a dusty trail adventure, cleaning muddy gear, or simply enjoying a quick rinse under the open sky, this versatile addition enhances your mobile lifestyle by providing instant access to water right outside your door, making it an indispensable feature for comfort and practicality on the road. Number 5. Dura Faucet DF SA189 WT RV Sprayer Kit. Introducing the Dura Faucet RV Sprayer Kit, designed for ultimate convenience. Its ultra-tight seal and versatile spray settings make cleaning your RV exterior a breeze. The innovative spray box features an easy-to-open door for instant external access. Connecting the sprayer hose to your water source is a quick, no-hassle process. This kit is designed for a seamless integration with your vehicle. The spray box mounts flush, remaining unobtrusive, while two simple knobs offer easy temperature control. Constructed with premium synthetic resins and industrial-grade ABS, this sprayer and hose are built for unparalleled durability. Enjoy a lifetime of reliable use. Connect and start using immediately with its easy installation. CUPC certified and lead-free, it's also fade and corrosion resistant for lasting quality. The sprayer extends to an incredible 15 feet, yet recoils to a compact 13 inches for easy storage. Its thoughtful design ensures functionality without compromising space. What we like. This sprayer offers an impressive 15-foot reach with a coiled hose that retracts neatly. It features a variety of spray settings for different needs. If you're looking for versatility in a long hose that won't get in the way, this is a great choice for washing off dirt or rinsing off after a day outdoors. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and is easy to use. The unit is well built and feels durable. Installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. Number 4. RV Shower Head with Hose, White. This shower head features a built-in switch that helps you save water without sacrificing pressure. Enjoy a pause function for added convenience during your shower. Experience a straight and even water flow that provides a satisfying clean feeling. It's designed for efficiency, ensuring you don't need to use excessive water. This lightweight kit adds no extra weight to your RV and boasts an exquisite white design that complements most RV bathrooms. The soft hose ensures comfortable adjustments. Crafted from premium-grade ABS material, it's non-metallic and won't rust, corrode, or tarnish. This ensures it stands up to everyday use. Installation is a breeze, requiring no plumber. It's designed for long-lasting performance, perfect for your outdoor RV shower needs. What we like. This shower head is designed with water conservation in mind, featuring a pause function that doesn't sacrifice pressure. Its non-metallic construction means no rust. If you prioritize saving water and need a lightweight, durable replacement that won't corrode, this is ideal for eco-conscious RVers. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the hose is long enough to reach around the RV. Easy to install and the water pressure is surprisingly strong for an outdoor shower. The locking mechanism on the door keeps it securely shut, preventing accidental openings during travel. Number 3. RecPro RV Exterior Shower Box Kit. Keep your RV interior clean with this easy-access exterior washing station. It's the perfect solution for RVs, campers, and trailers. This long and flexible hose provides ample reach and mobility. It's ideal for rinsing off gear, pets, or yourself after a day of adventuring. Experience a refreshing outdoor rinse with its strong, efficient water pressure. The shower head delivers a max flow rate of 2.5 GPM for optimal performance. Built to withstand the elements, it resists cracking, fading, and discoloration. Enjoy long-term outdoor use without worry. Protect your outdoor shower from tampering with the included keys. It offers peace of mind at campgrounds, parking lots, or events. What we like. This kit provides a convenient outdoor washing station with a generous 51-inch hose and a strong 2.5 GPM flow rate. A key feature is its built-in security lock. If you need to keep your outdoor shower secure from tampering and want a good flow for rinsing, this is perfect for peace of mind at campgrounds. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the hose is long enough to reach around the RV. Easy to install and the water pressure is surprisingly strong for an outdoor shower. Number 2. RV Outdoor Shower Exterior Shower Box Kit. Upgrade your outdoor showering experience with ease. This kit is designed for a no-tools required replacement, fitting standard RV shower cutouts perfectly. Constructed from UV-resistant ABS plastic, it's built to withstand all outdoor weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. Enjoy the convenience of a durable braided nylon coiled hose. It eliminates kinks and saves valuable space compared to traditional straight hoses. Conserve water without sacrificing performance. The trickle mode helps you save up to 30% more water than standard hand showers. This is a direct replacement solution for your camper, van, travel trailer, motorhome, or boat. It's a versatile addition to your outdoor adventures. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty against leaks and defects. Contact us for any replacement parts needed. What we like. Designed for incredibly easy, tool-free replacement, this shower features a durable, kink-free braided nylon coiled hose. It also includes a trickle mode for significant water savings. If you need a quick, hassle-free upgrade and want to conserve water with a space-saving hose, this is an excellent option for campers and trailers. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the water pressure is strong enough for rinsing off. The unit is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware. The shower head is made of durable plastic and has held up well to outdoor use. Number 1. RV Exterior Shower Box Kit with Lock, White. Crafted from UV-protected, fade-resistant ABS plastic, this accessory is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it stays looking new, resisting the elements with ease. With ample trim dimensions and a convenient cutout size, installation is a breeze. The included 59-inch hose provides flexibility for all your washing needs. Experience a smooth washing experience with a flow rate of up to 1.8 GPM. It's perfect for rinsing off sand, bathing pets, or any outdoor cleaning task. Easily control both hot and cold water with the dual acrylic knobs. The shower wand features an on-off trickle function for precise water flow management. This unit includes a lockable enclosure with keys for added security. Its matte white exterior and glossy white interior offer a clean, quality design. Everything you need is in the box: the shower faucet, a 59-inch hose, a handheld shower head with a pause function, and a lockable enclosure with keys. What we like. This exterior shower box offers a lockable enclosure for security and convenience, complete with dual temperature control knobs. The shower wand includes an easy on-off trickle function. If you value security, easy temperature adjustment, and the ability to pause water flow while washing pets or gear, this kit provides a premium outdoor cleaning experience. What people say. The shower head has a good spray pattern and the hose is long enough to reach around the RV. Easy to install and the water pressure is surprisingly strong for an outdoor shower. The locking mechanism on the door keeps it securely shut, preventing accidental openings during travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.